Okay, now that we've kind of got the basics of the GUI editor under our belt, let's go ahead and make a GUI. What we're going to do is just tap on this button a couple times, so that's going to insert a button into our screen. So I clicked it twice there. So I got two buttons. What you can see is you can rearrange any of the objects pretty easily. Put it to a new position. If you see that red shadow underneath it, that just kind of shows you where the control is going to end up when you release it. So you can pretty easily drag these things around. So let's see what kind of a screen that's going to create. Well, first of all, save the properties. Hitting the save button generates XML and saves it to your workspace. So then what we can do is go in here, and we're logged in as demo 15, so I'll use that gallery code, view gallery. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. GUI test. So now we see there's two buttons. One thing you might be wondering is why aren't these borders showing up? The red border here is showing what object is currently selected, so that's not going to show up. That's just a GUI function. And the border of these objects in the GUI editor are more for showing you how much space they occupy, not really turning a border on. Like I was saying before, if you want to do select none, that'll do that. Just a little note there. But if we wanted to have some borders that would actually show up on the screen, what we can do is modify some of these attributes. What we can do is say border color purple on the first one, save properties. Then what we can do is say border color of say blue on the second one, save properties. And then what you can see that border color is being applied even in the GUI editor. It's a little difficult to see with these borders, with these dashed borders, to kind of like show the size, but it is there. So I'm going to hit save properties. So just to kind of differentiate, save properties saves all these properties onto the specific object you're working on, whereas save saves the entire screen and generates the XML file. So hit save, success, we got the XML file. Then what we can do is go back in here, kind of refresh our GUI test, and then we'll see that the borders are indeed there. So that's kind of a quick overview of how you manipulate objects. So try out GUI Editor and see what you think.